So I'm going for a dinner. Get ready with me. But I want to do makeup this time around. And guys, I do not know how to apply my own makeup. And it's 2025. So whatever I do, don't judge me. Okay? Okay. To start with, I don't have a primer. Imagine. I don't have a primer. So I'm just going to go straight into with my foundation. Can foundation be too much? I don't know. My beauty blender. Yeah. And yes, I did my skincare before doing all of this. So I think I was supposed to do my eyebrows first, but I have microblading on, but I think I'm just supposed to I don't even have fixing spray or setting spray. I don't even have setting spray. I think I'm already looking different. I don't know if this makes any sense, but I see people do it a lot. So, there's a pain, you walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak, try to stand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you always on my mind. You come around like it's straight and I see you. And I see you. Baby, when I never know when you might walk by. So I gotta be right on time. I see you. And I see you. I scribble X and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I feel myself in the zone when you're nervous when you're gone. I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We're showing the stars outside. What's the reason why? You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey baby.
After applying setting powder, am I still supposed to put this? What do you? Hope this makeup turns out fine, because I will just wash my face. This has like a gel in it. That's why I said I should have done it first. This is a good idea. So I'm done with the makeup. What do you guys think? I don't have eyeshadow. I don't have setting spray. So I think this is the true minimalist makeup because it's just foundation and the basics. So yeah.